Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 17th of February. And first of all, national news. BITS Pilani Design School open in Mumbai. Admission starts on February 26. Microsoft announced 4 Xbox exclusives for PS5 and Nintendo Switch. Activision Blizzard titles on Game Pass. Pacific Plate being torn apart from Japan to New Zealand, a study found. GSLV F-14 carrying Inset 3DS scheduled for launch from Satish Dhawan Space Center. IMD forecasts fresh active western disturbance likely to affect northwest India. PM Modi to lay foundation stone for projects worth 9,750 crore in Haryana. Law Commission recommended mandatory registration of NRI OCI marriages. Beware, CBSE fact checks fake circular going viral about board exams postponement. DAC cleared proposals worth Rs 84,560 crore to strengthen armed forces and Indian Coast Guard. RPF reunited over 549 children with their families under Operation Nanne Farishte. And now some international news. Russia has serious questions to answer over Navalny's death, NATO chief. Satellite photos show new Egypt compound at Gaza border as Rafah push looms. UK by-election results deliver double blow for PM Rishi Sunak. Terror groups enjoy greater freedom in Afghanistan than at any time in recent history, UNSG report. Now some sports news. Australia's Annabel Sutherland smashed fastest double century in women's test history. Ravichandran Ashwin entered history books by reaching 500 test wickets. Rohit Sharma made history with a brilliant century on day one of the third test match against England in Rajkot. BCCI above IPL franchises. Jay Shah revealed mandate ahead of T20 World Cup. And now news related to business. Paytm Payments Bank's deadline to stop deposits extended till March 15. Akasa Air to start international operations from March 28. India initiated anti-dumping probe into imports of solar glass from China, Vietnam. And IT industry to grow 3.8% in financial year 24 to cross $250 billion, NASCOM said. And that's all in news. Thank you.